And we're here with the review questions from section 9.3, so let's hope that you got your section 9.2 homework in and your quiz taken for 9.1, 9.2 on Friday. The radius of the circle is 35, so this distance would be 35. The measure of arc LM, so that arc measure is 80, and LM, the chord, is 45. And we know that LM and NO, those segments are the same, and we're going to find the measure of NO. So as we talked about in section 9.2, if the chords are the same distance, then the arcs that they cut would be the same. So the arc up here was 80, so the arc down here would be 80. Same picture, same information. This time we're going to find the measure of arc NQ. So we want to find that. We know that the whole distance is 80. So if the whole thing is 80, then this part would be 40. If the radius, all the same information. Again, this time we're looking for this measure. Well, up above, we know that the arc LM was 45, so the arc down here is 45 because all the other information is staying the same. Again, all the information is the same. This time they want you to find NT, and if we know that all the way across this thing is 45 and all the way across this thing is 45 because they are equal, well, they're congruent to each other, then halfway across would be 22.5. And finding RT. So we want to find this right here. We know this one, we just found it was 22.5. We know that that would be a radius, and they said that all the radii were 35. So if we go to our calculator quick here, we get that we're going to have 22.5 squared plus RT squared equals 35 squared. And work that out, I get that RT is 26.8. Well, I think that's it for the review questions, so we'll get to the regular lesson in the next video.